much. Good evening, everyone. It's nice to see a mall that's kind of empty on a Monday. There's something very soothing about it. But it's great to see all of you taking out time this Monday afternoon to actually see what's going on. As of course you've heard everything that we're doing here, it is a contribution to education. It is a great association with Keels and CRY, and like she said, one child less at work means one child more at school and getting educated. We're here to do something very simple. We're launching this product, and I'm not going to call it a face cream, I'm going to call it a philanthropic product that you can apply, and not only do you beautify yourself with it, but you help someone out there getting educated. So it's just not an ordinary product. A lot of people say this is a magic potion, this is a magic lotion. This one actually is the magic lotion, because more than anything else, it'll help you contribute towards someone's education, and that's exactly why I'm here, because I'm a firm believer in it. And it's great to see that there are no kids here on Monday, and they're all at school, right? Yeah. So thank you very much. I'm not going to keep talking about it. If anybody wants to do the good deed, or spread the message, or help in educating anyone, anywhere, in whatever way you can, go ahead and do it. This is a great platform, this is a great medium, and as long as you all believe in this as much as I do, which I'm pretty sure all of you do. So yeah, here's to education, here's to CRY, here's to Keels. Good luck, guys. I feel like if you go ahead and do a good deed, you're definitely going to get blessed. So yeah, right now I'd have to say that, get the Ultra Facial Cream, you'll contribute to education, and then you'll sleep well, and then you'll have great skin. Not that the cream won't do magic, that will also do magic.
So what do you think about the CRY Foundation, and what do you think about the association?
Firstly, I'd have to say I would love to congratulate you and say the CRY Foundation is doing amazing work. We were just at the school right now, and I wish you guys had, could make time and come there. And we were with all these amazing kids who actually, at different levels had to drop out of school, or was hard for them to make it to college. But the CRY Foundation has helped them, realize their dreams, and they take it forward. what's great is that, Kiehl's as a brand is not just, like any other cosmetic brand. It believes in doing philanthropy and the right kind of it. This time I feel like, my association with them has been for philanthropy. This is the second time around that we're standing for the same thing, but that, Kiehl's and I believe in, and that is education. And this time around it's great because, it's talking about child labor, and like she said, that if there's one child away from work, that means there's one extra child getting educated, which is very important. So it's really important for me to spread the message that education really is the only wealth that you can have, and that's what we're doing over here. And if you buy this cream, you're going to be contributing $2 into education, and educating one of those amazing girls that I saw today. And I promise you, they've got so many dreams and hopes and aspirations in their eyes, and you can see the magic, and all of them are bright and brilliant. And yeah, I mean, it really does not matter to us. The only thing is that our intention should be at the right place and contribute towards Kiehl's Cry, because they're doing the right thing. They've taken an oath. I promise you they're going to live up to it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Does anyone else would like to ask?
No, group interview.
Group interview? Group interview?
Done? You're one of them.
Alright.
Sure.
Arun.
Group interview?
So look at side.
Okay.
Side?
Side.
Look at
Center, okay.
ओके नेहा जी कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस क्राई के साथ में, क्योंकि हम लोग कुछ पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियो देखी साइन में भी आपने बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट
जी हाँ।
कि वहाँ बच्चों की सफ़र कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। सबसे पहले तो हम साइन गए, वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्कूल है जो क्राई ने खोला है, एंड इट्स फैंटास्टिक टू सी दीज गर्ल्स, जो लड़कियाँ थी वो कॉलेज जाने वाली भी थी, जो कई ऐसी लड़कियाँ थी जिन्होंने अपने स्कूल की शुरुआत की है, एंड फॉर डिफरेंट रीजंस दे ड्रॉप्ड आउट ऑफ स्कूल। और थोड़ा सा हमें महसूस भी होता है, देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट वन टेक्स फॉर ग्रांटेड, सेइंग दैट I did not see this spirit in them कि ओहो आज उठ के हमें स्कूल जाना है. In fact, their spirit was, oh yeah, we've got the opportunity to go to school, and that's what makes it so amazing for me to actually spend time with them. And all of them wanted to become doctors or pilots or engineers or software engineers, and they were very certain कि वो करेंगे. And I feel like this is the place that actually gives them that ray of hope. And when I see them now, that because I'm a mother, I feel like इनकी भी माँ होगी who'll have that much those many hopes and dreams for them, and for whatever reason, more often than not, it's lack of resources or lack of safety. कई लड़कियों ने ऐसे बोला है कि उनके माँ बाप उनको जाने नहीं देते स्कूल क्योंकि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि वो safe नहीं है. But for whatever reason, I feel it's commendable that CRY is actually going and doing this work, and I feel like whatever you do, the support, even if it's charity, needs to come from a place where people are contributing to that charity, and that's why Kiehl's has come in as a brand, and they put forward their best-selling product, which is amazing. Because एक होता है, that's where the numbers come from, and this ultra facial cream, I'm here to endorse the one and the most important thing that I believe in is that education. मैं वहाँ पे भी यही कह आई थी that that's your wealth, और वहीं पे है, like तुम्हारा पैसा कोई ले जाएगा but तुम्हारी एजुकेशन कभी कोई लेके नहीं जा सकता. And they were so, it was so overwhelming for them, पर उनसे ज़्यादा मुझे आंसू आ रहे थे उन्हें देखकर. उन्होंने स्ट्रीट प्ले किया, they spoke about women's safety, women's rights, they spoke about education. It was really a wonderful morning.
ओके नेमन, जैसे आपने इनिशिएटिव की बात की तो बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो आपसे इंस्पायर्ड है, पर आप किससे इंस्पायर, और ऐसा कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको मोटिवेट करती है टू गो अहेड?
Oof, tough question, yeah. At different levels, different people inspire me. जैसे आज सुबह मैंने इन लड़कियों को देखा, and I was just like, हम इतनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ को लेकर, और like I know people at different points in their lives who've not come up to work or to school, कि किसी का बच्चा यहाँ पे parking नहीं मिली किसी को, like those are the excuses that one hears of, and you're like ये क्या हो रहा है? And these kids come walking from different places, the spirit is amazing, and like just doing that for one teacher, one textbook, one piece of chocolate. I mean, these are people, these are inspiring stories. The problems, like, मैंने उन लड़कियों को बताया था that when I walked in, I was thinking, अच्छा ये नहीं ठीक, ये नहीं, because everybody on a daily basis has so many problems. And then when I heard them, I was just like, what am I talking about? And I got inspired from them. But every day, like, one gets inspired from different people. Sometimes my daughter inspires me because she has only one emotion, and that's love. मतलब वो सबको बस देख के गले मिल के she just keeps smiling, and I'm just like, why can't I be like this, like my 9-month-old daughter? And sometimes, yeah, like, you know, my mom inspires me, and there's so many times you feel the setbacks in your life, but you got to get yourself together, and every day it's like you go down and then it's an uphill climb, and it happens to everybody watching, it happens to you, me, but you got to just get yourself together and get back at it. Yeah.
ओके नेहा, जैसे आपने अभी कहा कि आप बीइंग अ मदर बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. यू हैव बीन अ मल्टीटास्कर एज अ होस्ट, एक्टर, बीइंग अ मदर, एंड योर डॉटर हैज बीन 8 years old.
No, 9
9
months.
months.
8 years.
9 months.
8 years क्यों थी, तो मैं ज़्यादा रिलैक्स शायद होती है, पता नहीं.
चेंजेस आए आफ्टर बीइंग अ मदर.
I mean, lot of changes. Definitely, I think physically you feel the change because you've born a child, and you know you've carried your child for so long. Mentally, you feel the change because जहाँ पे भी आप हो, like, you know, no matter what you do, at least 50% of your mind is in your child. Like right now, I'm just like, वो उठ के खाना खा के अपने music class में पहुँची है कि नहीं, but I'm still giving the interview. So you know, mentally it's that. But otherwise, it's like you wake up and then you get a group hug from like a husband and your child. And right now, she's trying to pull my hair and touch my face, and it's so magical. Like her cheeks are so soft, and I can talk about it all the time. But my point is that, you know, like, I forgot your question also because I get so carried away talking about my daughter. But it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, a lot of times you feel like, will I be able to? It's not difficult being a mother. I feel it's difficult because we put ourselves under this pressure कि क्या मैं कर पाऊँगी. That was my biggest question. Will I be good enough for her? But she's chilled out. मतलब उसको life में कुछ नहीं चाहिए. उसको कुछ भी दे दो, जो उसके लिए गिफ्ट आती है उससे ज़्यादा तो उसको गिफ्ट रैपिंग से प्यार हो जाता है. तो there's no big deal. Yeah, I mean, they just need to be raised with a lot of love, and kids are absolutely fine.
Okay, Neha ma'am, whenever you endorse any product, do you research on that product personally?
Yes, today my job here is not as somebody who's endorsing Kiehl's. I'm not endorsing Cry. I'm here from a completely philanthropic point of view where I'm working towards this great initiative and great charity that Kiehl's and Cry have put together. और अगर आप endorse की बात करें, today I'm endorsing education for sure. पर अगर कोई भी product हो, मैं बहुत देखती हूँ क्या लोग, because I feel like today in this day and age, it's very easy to judge someone. It's very easy to pass judgment. We're so accessible to people, so people have a point of view whether they agree with us or not. They're always there. We're available on social media, so we have a sense of responsibility. As much as social media helps us reach out to people, that much people can reach us also. So, you know, we're accessible to even the fact that they may not agree with us. So I feel like as somebody who's followed by you know, a couple of million people or more, I have a sense of responsibility. So, but even before social media, I was very careful about the brands I would associate myself with.
Okay. Lastly, ma'am, after one week, it's your birthday.
Oh yeah.
So, any specific planning for
Can you
this year?
please call my husband and remind him?
Sure.
No, we may be taking off for a mini holiday. Yeah. So I'm excited. After long. Yeah.
Thank you.
थैंक यू जी.